So, have you heard about these new AI-powered IDEs that everyone's buzzing about?
Not really. What's the latest?
Well, there's this one called Cursor that's gaining a lot of traction lately. Yeah,
Oh,
it's an
Cursor?
AI-first code editor that's really impressive.
Interesting. What makes it stand out?
It's got this feature called Composer, which is pretty revolutionary.
Right.
It lets you do multi-file editing with AI assistance.
So, it's better than using VS Code with Copilot?
Well, some devs think so.
Really?
They say it's faster and the AI suggestions are more accurate.
Huh? But isn't VS Code pretty solid, especially with all its extensions?
True, but Cursor is actually a fork of VS Code, so it feels familiar.
Okay.
Plus, they've integrated Anthropic's Claude model, which enhances code generation significantly.
Wait, Claude? Isn't that supposed to be better for coding than other models?
Exactly, so the code
Wow.
suggestions are like top tier.
That's impressive.
Yeah, and then there's Windsurf Editor that's making waves too.
Windsurf?
It's an agentic IDE released by Codium.
Agentic? What's that mean in this context?
Well, it has this cascade feature, which is like an AI assistant that collaborates with you across multiple
Oh,
files.
got it.
It's designed to be both collaborative and independent.
Sounds almost too good to be true.
I know, right? People are saying
Yeah.
it's great for debugging and refactoring messy code bases.
But are these tools practical for everyday use? I mean, sometimes new features seem flashy but aren't that useful.
Definitely, early adopters are finding them invaluable. They're offering features that big players haven't matched yet.
Like what exactly?
Multi-file AI editing, faster code generation, better context awareness. You know, things that make coding smoother.
I see. But can't existing IDEs catch up with extensions or updates?
To some extent, but these new IDEs are built with AI at their core.
Right.
The integration feels seamless.
That makes sense. What about Zed? I've heard the name tossed around.
Oh, Zed's interesting too. Built from scratch in Rust, it offers free unlimited AI completion.
Free unlimited?
Yeah, though that might be subsidized for now.
How sustainable is that model?
Good question. They're probably
Yes.
focusing on building a user base first.
Clever strategy. But what's the catch?
Well, they might introduce pricing later on, but for now it's a great deal.
Might as well take advantage of it then.
Exactly. But it's
Right.
not just about price. The performance and features are impressive.
What about JetBrains? Are they keeping up with all this?
Surprisingly, many devs using JetBrains IDEs prefer GitHub Copilot over JetBrains' own AI assistant.
Really? That's a bit concerning for them?
Yeah, developers say their AI isn't as efficient in code ingestion compared to others.
Maybe they need to step up their game.
Definitely. Meanwhile, Microsoft might integrate these innovations into Visual Studio Code.
They have the resources to catch up quickly.
True, and since many of these new IDEs are forks of VS Code, Microsoft's in a strong position.
Do you think these startups can really compete long term?
It's hard to say. They're innovating rapidly, but giants like Microsoft have vast distribution.
So it's an uphill battle, but exciting nonetheless.
Exactly. For us developers, it's great to have more tools to choose from. It pushes
Absolutely.
everyone forward.
Maybe I should try out Cursor or Windsurf.
You definitely should. Let me know what
Yeah.
you think about their features.
Will do. Thanks for the insight.